Have you ever wondered what makes your pancakes so floofy? What makes this beautiful gift from the heavens so appealing to the eyes? The answer may shock you, so brace yourselves. It's chemistry. To explain the heavenly floofiness of pancakes, we'll start off with the ingredients. Now this is what makes the pancakes so special. First of all, buttermilk contains diacetyl, a compound also found in butter that gives off, wait for it, a buttery flavor. But this isn't the only thing buttermilk contributes to the pancake. Harmless bacteria munch on sugar to produce lactic acid in the buttermilk, and because it's an acid, it can take part in the classic chemical reaction of acid-base reaction, which is the same as the baking soda volcano reaction. Secondly, the pancake recipe also has what we call as baking soda or sodium bicarbonate, which is a base. When lactic acid and baking soda get together, they produce bubbles of carbon dioxide gas. But instead of going whoosh all at once, the carbon dioxide fizz gets trapped in your pancake batter. Those bubbles expand until the batter cooks and solidifies around them. Plenty of bubbles means your pancakes will be light, fluffy, and tall. Then, we mix your dry ingredients in a bowl and the wet ingredients on a separate bowl. After doing so, you pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix until it's combined. You might be tempted to beat your pancake batter until it's perfectly smooth and there's no ounce of dry ingredients to be seen. Those poor lumps, what did the A ever do to you? The thing is, overmixing your pancake batter will make it tough. There are two proteins in your flour, glutenin and gliadin, that combine when they meet water to form gluten. Gluten forms a sort of proteiny mesh in your batter. A little of that is good because it helps trap those bubbles you work so hard to make on with the buttermilk and helps your pancake rise. A little baking soda will help your pancakes get brown too. Browning happens thanks to the Maillard reactions, a complex cascade of reactions that lead to chemical deliciousness, taking place in the presence of heat, proteins, and sugars. Those reactions are helped along when they take place in a slightly basic environment. Be sure to cook your batter right away and don't rest it for too long, so those darn bubbles won't have a chance to escape. Without buttermilk, your pancakes won't rise and it results to that flat and rubbery pancake that makes you feel like you're eating your own shoe. But it's not quite true. There are other substitutes to buttermilk such as baking powder that contains a powdered acid and base that start to react when heated. To achieve optimal pancake floof, don't heat up the pan without them. This process shows Charles' law that as the temperature increases, the volume increases. In the same way, as the temperature of the mixture increases, the volume of the carbon dioxide increases. If you don't have both buttermilk and baking powder, you can add it yourself by using lemons as a substitute. It would react with the baking soda like lactic acid would. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter onto a hot, lightly greased griddle for each pancake. Cook over medium heat until you see bubbles form on the top of the batter and the bottom of the pancake is brown. Flip and cook 1 to 2 minutes or more until the other side is brown, and voila! You got yourself a delicious pancake. See you next time. Goodbye.